I'm just sipping on my tea, and it's Earl Grey, and I put some dried lavender, like petals, I guess, or leaves in there while I was steeping it, and I love this combination so much. I just like remove them with a spoon when it's done steeping with some oat milk, and I have it like every morning. So I will sit here and read for a minute before getting ready. It's very gray out today, but that's okay. It's a good day for a big sweater. Right now I'm working my way through this wonderful book here. I'm almost done it, but the chapters are so short, so I find I can read one really quickly in the morning without feeling like pressured, and it is so insightful. I highly recommend. I feel like everyone probably could read this book, including my parents. My parents actually, or my mom actually recommended it to me, and yeah, I love the beginning chapters especially. It helps about like how you can take care of yourself, and less in like from a blame stance and more of a how you can, support yourself as you move through the world. So everyone's probably read this book already. I'm probably like the last one to recommend this. I just finished my classes for the day, and I'm waiting to see if my sister wants to go out for coffee with me so we can study, but it's getting a little bit sunny out, so I'll show you my outfit. So hat knit by me, sweater knit by my grandma, then my Levi's, and then my favorite like slippers that I wore outside once, but now they're my outdoor shoes since I wore them on the bus, so they're never going back in my house again. So I'm gonna see what my sister says and probably go to a cafe and do my studying and reading and stuff. I have so much to read. I haven't really had courses before where I have to read like a book in a week, and I have 2 of those courses now. I guess that's what being an English major is about. This is the cutest bathroom ever. I am home now and just doing some more homework in my room. I have a lot of French grammar to do, and a lot of reading. I was saying earlier, I have to read Beowulf next week, and then The Lord of the Rings too. I'm really excited about both of them actually. Like, they're both books I want to read, and Lord of the Rings I've already read, but I've never had a class where it's like read this entire book. It's mostly just like small short stories or sections of books, but it's like close read this book. And I feel like I hardly know what close reading is, but I guess I will learn that in the process. I want to show you my room right now. It's about 5:30 and the sun, I mean, I guess it doesn't look very nice with this view, but it's just so pretty. I love being in my room at this time. And I have some more tea. I need a constant stream of tea to keep me going. Look, I got my mom. I love Frida Kahlo. My mom bought me this beautiful cross when she went to Arizona at the Heard Museum. Can't even see it there, look at that. And then this beautiful Frida, I don't know, it's like Mexican tin frame. I love it. So that's what I'm gonna do for a little bit, and then probably have some dinner and call it a night. I have this beautiful saffron that my dad brought back from Italy. And I'm just gonna put one little, I don't even know if it does anything, but it's so precious. There's hardly any in here. And they're hand-picked, I think. So I'm just gonna take out one, just because this is just maybe 2 today. Just enough for me. I add a whole bunch of stuff to my oatmeal, so it might not look that appetizing, but it's so good. I like to add yogurt and coconut oil and apple and walnuts and flax and yeah, pretty much whatever I want that looks good in my fridge. And then I'm going to sit here for a little bit and read my book for class, The Fellowship of the Ring. I was reading last night for like 2 hours, like close reading, and I'm only on page 30, so I'm going to need to modify how quickly I read, or maybe how many details I note down, if I actually want to get this done in the amount of time that I have for it. So it's a beautiful day out. I can hear the birds. I don't know if you can hear them. And I have astronomy today and band books, so it should be a very nice day. Lots of things to do, but trying to stay like relaxed and give myself time to do everything, because I think school gets stressful when I'm thinking about the future and all of the things that I'm going to need to do and I'm not going to have time for. But if I can just stay present and like give myself time to do things, give myself time to do my homework and time to read, I know that everything that needs to get done is going to get done, and I don't have to like pre-worry about it, because that just takes up too much mental energy. I'm home now from school, and I just did a little bit of yoga, so my face is a bit red. But I got my packages. These are my a few of the books I need for my Viking literature course, which I'm so interested in because a lot of my ancestry is Norwegian, and I know there's some Viking blood in there somewhere, so I'm wanting to learn a little bit more about, you know, where I came from, where my family came from. And we had to order like 10 like Viking sagas, so I got them from Amazon, and I'm excited to read them. A little bit nervous to write papers on them. Firstly, Beowulf. This has the old English translation and like the modern day translation, I guess. I've never had to read Beowulf before. A lot of the kids in my class seem to have had to, a lot of the people in my class had to read it in high school. So I'm a little intimidated by that. I don't think that's part of the Canadian curriculum. We have the Edda by Snorri Sturluson. Great name. There is Njal's Saga. Sorry if I butchered that name. This looks like the big one. I can't let myself get intimidated. There is the Vinland Sagas, a nice small book. Oh gosh. Hrangel's Saga and Other Stories. Whatever that name says. I don't know, is it gonna be mirrored? I'd much rather lose you than have a coward for a son. That's nice. I disagree. Usually I try and find my books like secondhand, but there were just too many with weird titles, and my teacher was like, get these all ASAP. So I just decided to make it easy on myself and order them. But yeah, Beowulf comes first. This has to be finished by next week, which actually I think seems manageable. I didn't realize it's basically just a big poem. Yeah, I guess I'll get down to annotating this thing. What are you watching?
Animals reunited with their owners after years of being apart. No, it's actually...
We're just on our way to a lovely coffee shop to do some more homework. It's Saturday. It's a beautiful day outside. Ta-da! Anyway, I found this coffee shop that has like actual mugs, so that we're not just carrying to-go cups, which I find annoying for some reason.
That's what everyone does nowadays.
Yeah, everyone just has to-go cups, even when you're sitting inside, and I love like holding a mug. I think that's like the nicest part about going out for coffee. Anyway, we're going to go and get some work done and be productive, more or less, and enjoy the day. Enjoy the day a little bit. I've been inside most of the day. Maya's been at work, but working clerking.
Would you be a mermaid or a unicorn?
Probably a mermaid. I love horses, but a mermaid is part human, and I get a really beautiful tail.
Oh.
But my spirit animal is a horse.
Cool.
Would you be a mermaid or a unicorn?
Sorry, I thought there was a bird. Probably a mermaid, because I've always wanted to be a mermaid. However, being a unicorn in the woods with magical powers sounds pretty cool too.
It does.